Hello guys! Как дела? Давно не виделись. How are you doing? Long time no see. Я Chris. My name is Chris. And today we will speak about verbs in past in Russian. And two tricky moments that some people find once they speak about past. So first I would like to tell you that past tenses are the easiest in Russian. So present and future, they are much harder, but past, I think that's the easiest tense in Russian. So when we speak about past, we need to change their ending of the verb. For example, хотеть, to want, хотеть. But I wanted, я хотела. So we need to put la ending for feminine. So хотеть, you need to skip t and put la instead of it. So instead of suffix t, you need to put the proper ending. Я хотела. For guy, я хотел. So when we speak with the pronoun я, we have two options. If a guy is speaking, he will say я хотел. If a girl is speaking, she will say я хотела. The same works for you, ты. So when we use ты, it depends on the gender of the person we are addressing to. For example, did you watch a movie yesterday? To watch would be смотреть. Смотреть. If we are asking a guy, we will ask ты смотрел? If we are asking a girl, we will say ты смотрела? Here it depends on the gender of the person we are addressing to. When we use я, it depends on our gender. If we say you, it depends on the person we are asking to. So remember guys, L for masculine, la for feminine. Now let's practice. Что ты вчера делал? Or что ты вчера делала? What did you do yesterday? For example, me, вчера я смотрела Гарри Поттера. Yesterday I watched Harry Potter. Я смотрела Гарри Поттера. Я гуляла недалеко от дома. I walked not very far from my house. Я гуляла недалеко от дома. Я немного спала вчера. I didn't sleep a lot yesterday. Я немного спала. Я ела суп на обед. I ate soup for lunch. Я ела суп на обед. И я видела мою бабушку. And I saw my grandmother. И я видела мою бабушку. Now it's your turn, guys. Put this video on pause and tell me what did you do yesterday. So try to use statement, try to use negative, like I did this, but I didn't do that. And try to use at least 5 different verbs and try to make your sentences, like not too dry, not like I watched a movie, I read a book, I walked, and that's all, and I slept. So kind of play with it, like I walked, like in the park, it was far or it was cold. I maybe watched a movie, it was interesting or it was boring. So kind of like put a little bit more of a description in your sentences. So at least 5 different verbs, so at least 5 different sentences. Put this video on pause, tell me about your yesterday and pronounce it out loud. You can make mistakes, make it in the best Russian you can, that's perfectly fine if you make mistakes. Just try to practice it out loud right now. Put this video on pause, practice it. And guys, if you would like to have a big video, 1-hour video practice on verbs in the past, all forms, how you can use it, all subjects, how you can use it. Plus, if you would like to have more listening practice and speaking practice, I have 1-hour video practice on my Patreon page. I will leave this link in the description of this video, so you can click and go and check out this video. It's 1 hour long. I remind you guys that for all my patrons, we meet live once a month, where you can practice your Russian live with me, with other patrons. It's 20 people per group, really small, cozy meeting, where you can practice your Russian non-stop for 3 hours together with me, some other guys. So I hope to see you there. I hope to meet you in person and chat with you guys. And I will see you soon. Bye bye!